Hello, I'm Josh Holmes from First Aid Only, and I'm here to introduce you to our brand new trauma backpack kits. We realize there are critical first aid needs for extreme work sites, and this new backpack is the answer. This backpack trauma kit was developed for crews in high-risk environments such as utilities, petrochemical, construction, and heavy manufacturing. It is designed to be picked up quickly and carried hands-free to a nearby worksite emergency. Aside from its bright orange color and backpack style, you will also see the yellow and black product ID tag that quickly points out that this is a trauma kit, which makes for quick identification in an emergency when time is of the essence. This backpack trauma kit is designed as your go-to response kit for all serious medical emergencies. The backpack includes individual kits for bleeding control, eye injury, burn care, and a general first aid kit. We also offer a pro version that includes a large burn blanket for the most serious of situations. Unlike many rescue trauma bags, the individual incident kits inside the backpack can be easily seen and removed quickly. All the components inside each kit are clearly marked with their own instructions for use. And the individual incident kits are easy to reorder, so you'll always have on hand what you need. The new backpack trauma kits from First Aid Only, keeping work crews prepared.